Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we uncover the best products on the market today. Today, we're diving into the world of car accessories with a focus on steering wheel covers. And let me tell you, we found the cream of the crop. Introducing the HOTOR car steering wheel cover, the ultimate accessory for your vehicle's steering wheel. This isn't just any cover, folks. It's the best steering wheel cover available, and here's why. First off, let's talk about versatility. This cover is designed to fit a wide range of steering wheels, with a diameter of 14.5 to 15 inches. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or RV, this cover has you covered. And installation? It's a breeze. With just 3 simple steps, you can have this cover snugly wrapped around your steering wheel, providing instant protection and comfort. But what really sets the HOTOR steering wheel cover apart is its quality. Crafted from premium leather, this cover is built to last. Say goodbye to wear and tear, because this cover is durable, resilient, and waterproof. And let's not forget about safety. With its anti-slip lining, this cover stays securely in place, ensuring a firm grip on the wheel at all times. No more slipping or sliding, even during those sharp turns. But hey, practicality doesn't mean sacrificing style. The HOTOR steering wheel cover sports a sleek black design that adds a touch of sophistication to any vehicle interior. So there you have it, folks. The HOTOR car steering wheel cover isn't just a necessity, it's a game changer. With its universal fit, premium materials, and unbeatable durability, it's no wonder why this cover is flying off the shelves. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Upgrade your driving experience with the HOTOR steering wheel cover today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Until next time, drive safe and happy shopping.